Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Lipink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Dow Jones had its worst day in the year. It dropped 600 points, and we can see crypto market went with it. Why? Let's talk about it. The second topic is that Biden expected to issue an executive order on crypto and CBDCs next week, so this coming. And also great news, Ukraine legalizes Bitcoin. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get this daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing them for you. Check out the links under this video, many useful ones. For instance, when you sign up to centralized exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, FTX, all the big ones. The links are there, and then you get nice discounts with them. And also a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that you can learn even more. All right, let's have a look at the market, and where we can see that Bitcoin actually went down 5.8%. Yeah, there was a dump in the last 24 hours. So now it's around 40,854. Ethereum went under 2,933, 4.2% down. Obviously, not huge winners. We have here Hard went up 5.4, and Neo 4.2, and then we have Juno 1%. Or actually, we have Clay here 1.3. So not big ones at all. Dumps. Cadena going down minus 6.4. They have Vitera 7% down. Again, not in the right order here. And Aave down also 7.3. Anyway, so this would be, or here Phantom 6.6. This is exactly here the top three. When we're looking at here the Bitcoin chart, then we can see that actually even that, this line is kind of 42,000-ish. We have this area where we can see, look, several times we went down here all the way. So it's basically between, 40,000, 42,000 something. This is a support area, not really a line. And, well, it's holding so far. But obviously the next step, if we continue, it could be 38 if this kind of, head and shoulders pattern, which is looking, in the other direction, it's not playing out, because that was the original idea. Also, when we're looking at the fear and greed index, it's down again to 30. We remember it was like 50 something. Yeah, well, there is fear again on the market. And let's talk about the fact that Dow Jones had its worst day in this year, 2022. We know that, crypto is very much correlated to the stock market. And when we're looking at Dow Jones, we can see that it dropped more than 600 points in the worst decline of 2022. Basically, Russia-Ukraine tension worry investors. So basically, again, it's back on the table. That what will happen. There's the conflict. It's on for a while, kinda, but now the media have a bigger focus on it. So basically, stocks slumped Thursday. Aimed heightened tensions between, Russia and Ukraine, with confused investors dumping risky assets and rotating into bonds. The Dow Jones Industry and Average posted its worst daily performance, as I said, on the year. And what the interesting thing is here, that how was it exactly? Oh man, there's just so many things. Okay, anyway, go step by step. So. Yeah, so stock tanked, first for last Friday. Yeah, that was the one I wanted to talk about. After U.S. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan warned Russia could invade Ukraine any day now. But then, earlier this week, stocks recovered after tensions apparently cooled with the Russian Ministry of Defense said it was beginning to pull back troops from the Ukraine border. Down, and then we have up, and now we're down again. So on Thursday, the fear returned to the market. President Joe Biden on Thursday warned that the threat of Russia invading Ukraine is very high, telling reporters that the attack could come within the next several days. So that's why we have this ups and downs here. And it's terrible, actually, what's happening over there. Any war is terrible, in my opinion, and also has an impact on the market. And uncertainty, this is the worst thing. Fear is back when it's uncertainty. And if this is happening on Dow Jones, yes, it's happening with Bitcoin and crypto. So we have to live with it. But yeah, the fundamentals of crypto. This is what I just wanted to show you that. Let's see which one. If you put not the 3 month one, I wanted to do like a shorter period. I put a 1 month. So anyway, you see here this is drop, how it continues, and this affects obviously the crypto market. Right. And talking about Biden expected to issue an executive order on crypto and CBDCs, and this can come actually next week. So let's talk about it. So Joe Biden expected to issue executive order on crypto and CBDCs, and this can come actually next week. And what is this all about? Shall we, be scared of that? Right now, this step is really just an order for these guys here to dig deeper of the issues what crypto can cause. So basically, under the executive order, the Financial Stability Oversight Council would study financial stability issues resulting from introduction of cryptocurrencies. The Security and Exchange Commission, Commodity Future Trading Commission, Federal Reserve, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, and official of the controller of the currency will consider measures to protect the market and report to the president on methods to mitigate risk with respect to crypto. So this is what he's doing. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, Federal Trade Commission, and the Office of the Attorney General will study the impact of digital assets on the market consumption. The director and the chair of the first two aforementioned agencies, respectively, will review privacy concerns for the space. So this is what it's all about, okay? So right now, it's not exact things what will happen. The order will go something like this, and then, of course, it will develop. And by the way, actually, when it comes to regulations, we have here Michael Saylor. We do know that he is a big Bitcoin fan, Bitcoin evangelist, Michael Saylor. He says that crypto regulation would speed institution adoption. So tighter government crypto regulations would actually be positive catalyst for Bitcoin. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor told on CNBC on Wednesday, and additional regulatory clarity from the Biden administration is going to benefit Bitcoin and accelerate institutional adoption of the asset. This is what Michael Saylor is saying. In his words, it's necessary to have a clear regulation, and this is the direction we're going right now. We don't know what it will be exactly, but now they examining the whole thing. Okay, and actually I have good news from Ukraine as well, because Ukraine legalized Bitcoin. Actually, this is great news because Ukraine legalizes Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is now legal in Ukraine as its parliament approved in final reading a bill that caters the president's recommendations. However, the country has not made Bitcoin legal tender. Okay, so it's not the same thing. Not legal tender, but Bitcoin is legal. So foreign and Ukraine crypto companies will be able to operate legally and Ukrainians will have the convenient and secure access to the global market for virtual assets. So this is the bottom line. By creating a high-tech, innovative cryptocurrency market that plays by clear rules, the country expects to speed arrival of crypto investors from all over the world. So this is what they actually hoping for. And, when you're looking at Ukraine, we have countries, they hold Bitcoin. We do know, of course, famously El Salvador, but they don't hold as much as Ukraine do. Ukraine is 46,351. And there we have Bulgaria, as you see. Finland is now on the list. We have Georgia. So several countries. And this list is just getting then longer and longer. Ukraine is on the list for a while. And, it's just good for Bitcoin that another country it's saying that, okay, it's all clear, it's all regulated, it's all fine, you can use Bitcoin, and that's cool. So, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, I'm back on Monday with the freshest. And obviously, if you like this kind of content, smash the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to get this daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I hope I can say that word. Okay, and yes, I wish you an amazing weekend. I'm back on Monday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.